Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn Standard 1 Unit 4 EVS Animals Around Us. Learning objects. The learners should be able to observe, name, identify, describe, compare and classify the animals into insects, birds and mammals. Let us talk. Observe the animals in the picture. Children, have you seen these animals near a house? Yes, let's see this picture. What are the animals are present in the picture? The cock, honeybee, monkey, snake, cow, cat, dog, horse, goat, duck, and squirrel. Okay, what are they doing? The horse eat grass. The cat and dog sit near the house. The duck swim in the pond. The goat stand near the tree. Tick the animals you have seen. Children, let's say what are the animals you see near your house? Yes, cat, ant, butterfly, dog, cock, and lizard. About animals. There are many kinds of animals. Some animals are big. Example, lion, deer, giraffe, elephant, bear, tiger, rabbit, cheetah. Some animals are small in size. Mosquito, ant, housefly, rat. About mammals. Some animals have hair or fur on their body. Some animals give milk to their babies. They are called mammals. Example, cow, deer, sheep, horse. Dogs, kangaroo and elephant are also mammals. Some mammals can fly. Example, bat. Some mammals can swim. Example, whale. Humans are also mammals. About birds. Have you seen these birds, children? Where have you seen them? Yes, in Vedandangal. Peacock, sparrow, eagle, crow, parrot, duck, pigeon, kingfisher, cock, myna, swan, owl. Connect the names to the birds. Listen, children. First one, what is the name of the bird? S. Parrot. 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 Then second one, duck. 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 Then third one, eagle. 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 Fourth one, swan. 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 Fifth one, myna. Mynah. Then last one is crow. Yes, Crow. Crow. Birds are animals. They have two wings, two legs and a beak. Example, swan and kingfisher. They eat with the help of their beaks. They do not have teeth. Example, myna, parrot. Their legs help them to walk around and run. Example, pigeon, peacock, ostrich. They have colorful feathers. Example, duck, parrot, cock, peacock. They can fly. Example, eagle. There are some birds that cannot fly. Example, emu, kiwi, penguin, ostrich. Some birds can swim. Example, duck, swan, water hen. Okay. Listen, children. Tick the birds that can fly. The first one, penguin. The penguin can fly? No. Next, second one, kingfisher. Kingfisher can fly, children? Yes. So you have to tick the box. Next, third one, parrot. The parrot can fly? Yes. So you have to tick it. Next, crow. Crow can fly. So you have to tick it. Next one, kiwi. Kiwi cannot fly. So you have to put wrong there. Next, the last one is emu. Emu also cannot fly. So you have to put wrong in the box. About insects. Insects are small in size. Honeybee, leaf insect, beetle, wasp, stick insect, cockroach, grasshopper, head loose. Insects are tiny animals with 6 legs. Some insects have wings that help them to fly. Example: dragonfly, butterfly. Self evaluation. Now, children, you can observe and name mammals, birds, and insects. You can identify and differentiate mammals, birds, and insects. You can compare and describe animals. You can think, sequence, solve riddles, and match. You can act like animals. You can draw and color animals. Okay, children, meet you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.